Mga ka-watchman, magandang pangyayari nung nagtapos na IISE Singapore Delegates Forum, isang tanong ng delegates ng IRES na kung saan sinabi niya na if one Filipino sailor has been killed on the Chinese West Philippine Sea issue dispute, what is the reaction of the Philippine government and of the Washington? Napakaganda ng sagot ng ating mahal na presidente at malinaw ang kanyang sagot tungkol doon na it is not just only a red light but is the beginning of that. We expect that it is not been on that way, pero ito'y mangyayari na mag-umpisa na ang hindi natin inaasahan sa panahon na kung saan isang buhay ang malagas ng mga delegado ng ating mga allied partners at ibang mga Pilipino sailors o kaya fisher folks, hindi lang sa mga Marines, ay ito na ang hindi lamang crossing the red lights but start the act of war. Pakinggan natin ang sinasabi at katanungan ng IRES delegate.
And immediately after your question, once you've identified yourself, I'll ask a third person for the final question. The President will take both. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, John. It's Dimitri Sevastopoulos from the Irish delegation of two people. Another small country. President Marcos, I'm going to ask you a very direct question, if you don't mind, which is, if Chinese Coast Guard water cannons killed a Filipino sailor, would that cross a red line? And then can you also give us a sense of what are the actions that would trigger a request from Manila to Washington to invoke the U.S.-Philippines Mutual Defense Treaty? Thank you.
And I will ask as the last question.
Dito napakagandang tanong at napakagandang sagot ng ating presidente at malinaw at dapat maintindihan to ng mga Chinese at ng pro-Chinese na Pilipino na nag-advocates at nag-twist sa mga narratives. Pakinggan niyo ng maayos at napakaganda at malinaw ang sagot ng presidente na hindi lang crossing the red lights. Pagkos ito na ang nag-umpisa na magpasiklab na kung kahit isang Pilipino doon sa ating mga kasamahan na mga allied contingent at every Filipino folks, fisher folks at sa ating mga Marines, Navy, ang mga allied na kung isang buhay lang ang malagas ay hindi lang crossing the red light, hindi lang ito'y hudyat na talagang nagpapasiklab. Ito ang umpisa as an act of war. Napakalinaw at may bagong narinig natin na kung saan ang ating DepEd Secretary na mayroong gustong mag-negotiate na lang ang Chinese at ito'y kinatakutan ng Chinese dahil nakapalibot na ang lahat ng mga allied na Asian countries at hindi lang Asian, Japan, Australia at Amerika at iba pang mga observer natin doon sa balikatan ng mga bansang gustong tumulong dahil dito sa ating tinatawag na law of the land of the sea at itong pagkukontrol nila kung sakaling magkakaroon naman ng navigational restriction at itong huli nilang huhulihin ang ating mga Pilipinong mga isda. Kahangalan to sa ating pa mismong exclusive economic zone, huhulihin tayo. At sa kanila lang yun, na kanilang dust line, 9 dust line na inaangkin. Pakinggan si PBBM.
In the Philippines. To go back to the first question, what would happen if there was an incident that ended up killing a Filipino serviceman, be they a Coast Guard or in the military and part of the Navy? Well, that would be especially that would certainly increase the level of response. And if by a willful act on a Filipino, not only serviceman, but even a Filipino citizen, if a Filipino citizen is killed by a willful act, that is, I think, very, very close to what we define as an act of war, and therefore we will respond accordingly. And our treaty partners, I believe, also hold that same standard for when the actions, with the joint action, will be undertaken in support of any such incident in the Philippines. Once we already have suffered injury, but thank God we have not yet gotten to the point where any of our participants, civilian or otherwise, have been killed. But once we get to that point, that is certainly, we would have crossed the Rubicon, certainly crossed the Rubicon. Is that a red line? Almost certainly it's going to be a red line.
Mr. President, you have helped us to set the agenda, you have provoked our thinking, you've spurred us to action. That is the keynote speech that we needed. That is the keynote speech that we got. You have sung for your supper. I think it's time for you to enjoy it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.